The Ministry of Evangelist Creflo Dollar has stopped seeking donations for a luxury private jet. Last week, a video on the ministry's website asked people to help the ministry buy a Gulfstream G650 airplane, an airplane valued at $65 million. The video said that if all of the ministry's partners sewed $300 each, they'd be able to acquire this jet in a very short period of time. The video has since been taken down, and Dollar's publicist says he is taking commercial flights and that the canceled campaign is not representative of what Creflo Dollar stands for.